Inversion tables are great for relieving back pain and much more. Spending just a few minutes upside down can stretch your spine, stretch your muscles, and even promote some much-needed relaxation. Check out our best pilates reformers and vibration machines for great low-impact workouts.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Teeter FitSpine LX9 Inversion Table. The Teeter FitSpine LX9 Inversion Table isn't cheap, but it stands out for premium features, such as a boarding platform for easier on and off, and an arched base for maximum comfort. The included tether lets you preset your desired inversion angle to 20, 40 or 60 degrees, depending on your experience and comfort level. Built-in acupressure nodes provide targeted pressure point relief. The table also features a lumbar bridge to fully support your lower back. Traction handles provide a safe and secure method for returning to an upright position. Extra long stretching handles provide even better decompression. The flexible bed stretches and lengthens your spine without sacrificing comfort or support. This Teeter inversion table also has an 8-point floating suspension system for uninterrupted movement. Safety is likely. Number 2. Body Vision IT9550 Deluxe Inversion Table. Get relief from specific areas of back pain with this inversion table, which comes with an adjustable lumbar support pad. You can move the pad as necessary to reduce pain in your shoulders, neck or lower, middle or upper back. An upholstered memory foam backrest adds an extra element of comfort. You'll also find a removable headrest pillow. A locking ankle support system holds you securely in place, while adjustable foam leg rollers keep your calves from getting pinched. The heavy-duty steel frame keeps the table secure on uneven floor surfaces. This adjustable inversion table accommodates users from 5'13" to 6'63" and can support up to 250 pounds. When you're done working out, simply fold up the table for storage. This table doesn't have transport wheels, but the Body Vision IT. Number 3. HARISON Heavy Duty Inversion Table. If you're looking for an inversion table with higher weight capacity, this table supports up to 350 pounds, thanks to its heavy-duty steel frame. It's also designed to give you a full immersion experience and can rotate a full 180 degrees. If you're just starting out or you aren't quite ready to take the plunge to the full 180 degrees, you can start at 20 degrees and work your way up. There's a good chance that you won't be the only one to use this inversion table once it's set up, which is why the table accommodates a wide range of user heights from 493 to 653. An ergonomic design, including a 3D memory foam backrest, provides even more relief from back pain. The table also has an ankle support system that safely holds you in an inverted position without causing ankle pain. Number 4. Kettler Apollo Gravity Trainer. Even the best inversion tables usually stop at 180 degrees, but you can actually go beyond that angle with Kettler's Apollo Gravity Table. And if you're not quite ready for that level of inversion, the table offers 7 fixed positions in total. Adjustments are also quick and easy, so you don't have to spend your time trying to switch from one level to the next. Getting yourself onto and off of the table can be tricky, which is where the Apollo's adjustable footplate comes in handy. There's also a push-button latch release for your safety. The Gravity Trainer, made in Germany, supports up to 250 pounds. A 3-year warranty provides extra. Number 5. YOLEO Gravity Heavy Duty Inversion Table. Security is paramount when you're using an inversion table, and this gravity table has you covered with its safety lock pin system and an integrated steel frame. Not only is the frame made from heavy-duty steel, it's also extra wide for added stability. You'll also find a rear crossbar that can be adjusted in 3 ways, so that you can find the angle that works for you. Once your session is up, simply move your arms to return to the upright position. A memory foam backrest makes each session comfortable while keeping you fully supported. There's also a reversible ankle holding system. This inversion table accommodates users from 4'10" to 6'63" and supports up to around 300 pounds. When your session is over, simply fold the table for transport or storage. Number 6. Health Gear Massage and Heat Inversion Table. Health Gear ups the ante by incorporating massage and heat into the ITM 5500 in addition to the benefits of full immersion therapy. If you're looking for a little something extra, It's hard to overlook this inversion table's overall value. And if you'd rather not use the massage and heating functions, you can simply remove the remote-controlled pad. This table is adjustable in 4 positions: 20, 40, 60 and 90 degrees. It's also outfitted with an inversion pin system for easy adjustments. A Surlock ankle support system securely holds you in place and allows for stress-free entry and exit. There's also an extra long locking arm to keep the back from bending as you get onto and off of the table. This inversion table generally fits users between 5'13". Number 7. BalanceFrom Inversion Table. Inversion therapy can help reduce back pain and stretch out tight muscles on its own. But add in heat and massage functions, and you'll feel even better. Choose between 3 different heat levels to find what works best for you. If you don't need heat and massage, you can simply go with the more basic model. Safety is just as important as comfort, which is why the chair features a locking system that's sturdy and easy to reach, along with a durable steel frame. It also supports up to 350 pounds, making it a practical choice for heavier users. The rear crossbar is lockable and adjustable if you need to change your inversion angle. The handlebars are ergonomically positioned for maximum comfort and feature a sturdy foam cover.